All right, so hi everyone. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be determining if our substances are soluble or insoluble. So if they are soluble, when I put it in water, it is going to dissolve, and it's also going to be forming a homogeneous mixture. If it is insoluble, it will not dissolve in water and then form a heterogeneous mixture. So our first sample that we have here is grape powder. So my grape powder, I'll be putting it in the water. And use my stirring rod to stir it. So that was my first sample, grape powder. Our second sample that we're going to be using is black pepper. Put a sample in water, and I'm going to be stirring with my stirring rod. So this is our second sample, black pepper. Okay, sample number 3, some coffee. So in this case, instant coffee. Put it in water. Okay. Sample number 4, we have candle wax. Sample number 5, flour. Sample number 6, some butter. This again is sample number 6. Sample 7, sugar. Sample 8, salt. sample 9, which is sodium bicarbonate, or if you have this at home, it would be considered baking soda. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Sample 10 is oil, so since sample 10 is a liquid, I have it in a pipette. So oil, I'm going to empty the pipette. So we have oil. As we can see right here, we see the formation of a very, very, very thin layer on top. That's my oil, and underneath it is my water. So this is oil. Sample 11, vinegar. Again, since this is in liquid form, I have it in a pipette, and I'm going to be emptying the pipette into the beaker. Now I'm going to stir. So this is vinegar. And my last sample is rubbing alcohol. So this is alcohol. So here we have all of our mixtures. So again, grape powder, that was our first mixture. Coffee, black pepper, our wax, our flour, butter, sugar, salt, sodium bicarbonate, the oil, the alcohol, and the vinegar. Now, just going to highlight some of our mixtures. Our black pepper. If you'll notice, we can see our different components here. We can see that our black pepper hasn't dissolved. We also see this in the wax. You can still see our wax looks pretty much identical to what we started with. We'll also notice in our oil, we have a film layer of oil right on top, and then we have our water underneath that layer of oil. Last thing that I want to highlight is flour. Now when we started, it looked like it was going to be soluble. But as you can see, all of the flour actually was ending up at the bottom. So even though it looked like it was dissolving, It's not actually dissolving. So, I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great